Here's what you can expect out of the book that I've just released. How to Build a Cubic Yard of Living Soil. Never buy fertilizer again. Basically, this book is going to walk you through an overview, composting, materials, how to make a worm bin, your base pile, troubleshooting. We're going to go through a little bit about me, a little bit about why living soil is so important, and what you're going to be able to do with this soil, this cubic yard of living soil that you build. And there's going to be how-to diagrams that pretty much spell it out on what's going to happen. We're going to first educate you to the why and what, and then we're going to run you through how to actually build it out and then let it sit there and stew for you so that later on you can plant a bunch of awesome food in there. Yeah, there's a lot going on in here. I think you guys will enjoy it. It's going to help a lot to give you an idea of what it means to build soil, what the very essence of soil is. Yeah, there's a lot of diagrams in here. There's a lot going on. So check it out. How to take a utility sink and put a garbage disposal on it to turn it into almost like a smoothie for your worms and for your compost. How to be more efficient in it. The basic definition of what it means and all the different ways you can get there. How you can use this on a micro scale or how you can use this on a large farm. And hopefully this brings you a little closer to an understanding of what it's like for nature to process what's underneath our feet. Well, pretty much guide you right through it. These are who I was showing it to. This is Iki.